Welcome back to The Explainer. So, let's talk about two words we throw around all the time: work and business. They sound pretty similar, right? But what if I told you the difference between them is, well, it's huge. And getting it could totally change how you think about your career and, building real, lasting value.
Okay, let's just jump right in with a big question. And I want you to really think about this for your own life. Are you getting paid for your time? Or are you getting paid for the value you create? For a result, a system, something you've actually built. The answer to that question, well, that's at the core of everything we're going to talk about today.
All right, part one. Let's start with something we all know inside and out, right? Let's talk about work.
So when you boil it all down, work is basically a trade. It's you trading your effort, your skills, your brain power, and most of all, your time for money. It's a pretty simple exchange, right? You do X, you get paid Y.
And if we look at a more, formal definition, the words that really jump out are activity, effort, and direct payment. See the pattern? It's all about the doing and the immediate paycheck you get for doing it. This is where the famous bucket metaphor comes in, and it just hits the nail on the head. Think about it. Your income is tied directly to how many buckets of water you can carry. Want more money? You got to carry more buckets. But, and this is a big but, there's a limit, isn't there? You only have so many hours in a day, so much energy, you can't just keep adding more buckets forever.
Okay, so that's work. Now, let's completely switch gears. Let's talk about what makes a business, well, a business. This is a whole different ballgame.
And right away, here's the first huge mind shift. A business isn't just you doing something. It's a system that's designed to create and deliver value. It's like building a machine, a machine that can do things on a scale that one person just can't.
The key word, the magic word, really, is independently. A real business is something that can operate, that can generate value without you having to be there every single second of the day. It's built to run, on its own.
So let's bring back our water metaphor. See, you're not carrying buckets anymore. Now, you're building a pipeline. Yeah, it's a lot of work up front, maybe even more work than carrying a few buckets. But once that pipeline is built, the water just flows, whether you're standing there watching it or not.
So we've got our two big ideas, work versus business. Let's put them head to head. This is where you really start to see the difference between being a worker and being a builder.
Okay, first big difference, scalability. With work, your growth is linear. You put in more hours, you make more money. But there's a cap. With a business, the growth can be exponential. Think about it. A great system, like a piece of software or an online course, can serve 100 people or 100,000 people without you having to put in 100,000 times the work. That's leverage. And that leads us right into the idea of assets. When you're just doing work, you are the asset. Your time, your skills, that's what's valuable. So if you stop working, guess what? The value stops being created. But in a business, you're not the asset. You build the asset. The system, the brand, the processes, those things have value all on their own. They can make money for you even when you're on vacation.
This chart really brings it all home, doesn't it? Look at the shift. Your focus goes from just completing tasks to actually creating systems. The value isn't just your time anymore, it's what the system produces. And, the biggest change of all, it's your mindset. You go from thinking like an employee to thinking like an entrepreneur, a builder.
All right, so why are we talking about all this? Is it just, a cool idea? No way. Understanding this difference is absolutely crucial for your future. Let's dig into why this actually matters so much.
And listen, this isn't just for people who want to be the next big CEO. Think about a freelance writer. The work approach is billing for each article they write. But the business approach, that writer creates an online course about copywriting. See the difference? That course is an asset they can sell over and over again. It's all about building systems that create value no matter what your job title is.
So you might be thinking, okay, great, how do I actually do this? Well, here are 3 quick steps to get you started. First, try to productize your skill. Can you turn what you do into a repeatable product or a package? Second, systematize your process. Make checklists, templates, anything that makes your work more efficient and less dependent on you reinventing the wheel every time. And third, build your brand. Your reputation is an asset that literally works for you while you sleep.
So let's circle back to that first question we asked, but with a new twist. A career can just be a long line of jobs. A lifetime of carrying buckets. But an enterprise, even a tiny one, is a pipeline that you're building.
So the real question, the one I want to leave you with, is this. Which one are you building?